Having trouble setting up your GoDaddy Reseller account? Watch till the end so you don't miss a simple step. First of all, head to GoDaddy's Reseller Program page and sign up for either the Basic or Pro plan. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the GoDaddy Reseller Wizard, which will help you quickly set up your storefront. After that, use the Reseller Wizard to customize your store name, contact details, support email, and logo. You'll also be able to choose a theme and brand colors to match your business. Then, open the Reseller Control Center. This is your dashboard where you can manage pricing, product availability, promotions, and more. Want a professional look? You can link a custom domain to your storefront. Simply go to the Custom Domain section in your settings and follow the steps to update your DNS. Next, go to the Pricing section. You can use GoDaddy's suggested rates or set your own prices for domains, hosting, and other products. You can also create custom promo codes to attract customers. Now your GoDaddy Reseller account is set up and ready to go. So this is how to set up your GoDaddy Reseller account. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.